Good morning! It's Monday morning and I'm packing and cleaning and everything because, you know, the holiday we go on Wednesday morning really early. So I want my room to be clean and I want my stuff to be packed. So, and I'm going to my grandparents to say goodbye before the holiday. And I still need to call them in a second because I don't think they remembered. And I also have to clean the bathroom, which really sucks. But my room first, packing stuff first, and then I can run to the bathroom. And we're back. We just picked up the cows.
Yeah.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Her English isn't that well. Who's been calling? Pill time! Pill time!
You, a moment, please.
My grandma gave me one strawberry. Crap. And it's an entire meal. And I dropped it on the floor.
Bijna gemist, maar als ik het niet meer zag.
Misschien heb ik wel tegen Jacques verteld en wilde deze Kees niet. Ja.
He isn't eating my hand, just hoping he'll get some milk or something out of it. But it won't, of course. Yeah, you're cute. Ooh, you're cute. You guys are so cute. I want to take you home with me. Can I? No. Why not? You're so cute. They're so freaking cute. We're inside. I'm part of the sheep now. And we also have some rabbits in here. Which are really cute as well. With these. It's starting to rain. Let's go inside. I'm back home again and pardon. I'm about to eat stivado, which my mom made. It's a Greek recipe and it's lovely. And something I haven't told you yet, but I've been bitten. I don't know if you can see really well. I've been bitten here. Maybe you can see a little, and on this side. Yeah, here you can see properly. I've been bitten by one of my boyfriend's snakes. Oh, it was so stupid. We were about to feed the snakes yesterday because we were going on holiday, and they aren't used to live mice, so we give them frozen mice, and we have to heat them up because they can't see a cold mice because, you know, they see heat. So I put them in on the water, touched them and everything, and then I went upstairs, and not with the mice in my hands, of course, but my boyfriend said, "Here, you take one," and the one decided that my hands smelled lovely and smelled like he wanted to eat them, so he put his mouth around me, or around my hands, like this. I believe I had my hand like this. No, I had my hand like, I don't know how I had my hand, but it bit me, and the bite itself isn't that painful actually. It's the taking its teeth out of my out of your hand that's really painful. And my boyfriend had one undone, and then he bit me again, put his teeth back in me, which really sucks, but alright. And The second thing is that we're really going to say goodbye now to Chico, or tonight. 9:15 we have an appointment at the animal doctor. Gonna miss him, especially during the winter times, because then we would wake up because of Chico mowing upstairs to the door, that he wanted to come in. So then from out of bed we reached through the doorknob and opened the door, and he would come in and lie with us in bed. Even though it's one person's bed, we laid in there with 2 persons and 1 cat, and it was just so lovely. And that's something I'm really going to miss this winter, but we'll probably get used to it. So yeah. Good Tuesday morning. I'm home. I slept at my boyfriend's last night because I wanted to be with him and cuddle next to him and lie next to him after we said our final goodbyes to Chico. And I'm starting to get emotional already, even by saying his name. It's just so sad, and we really miss him already. This is the table with all our crap we're taking with us, and here we have a little bit and underneath the table, and this is all for our hand luggage. And then the first things are already in the suitcases. Let's just say we take a lot with us. We're at the gates, and the airport is already there, or the airplane is already there. That's our airplane, and we're flying at 6:20 in the morning. Way too early, but alright. So happy with this bed because it means I have to walk way less than otherwise.
Small bags to the green zone, duty free goods,
We're highway near. We're flying for almost an hour already or so.
microphone has been switched off. And be careful when opening the overhead load.
Typical Greek way to go from the airplane to the airport is by bus, even though it's like 2 meters or something cool. They left us behind because there was no place for in the bus. So hopefully we'll be another bus coming back to pick us up. And otherwise we're just going to go up and we're in and everything is Greek again. We're in a car to Stavros, the place where we're going. Whew, and we still have 15 minutes to drive. It's pretty fast actually. And the road is a bit bumpy. The car is bumpy. The car is bumpy. The car is bumpy. It's fine too.
I saw you said my mom is grumpy.
No. I said the road is bumpy. She's deaf. So we'll have to scream for the entire holiday. The beginning of our lunch. We have some bread, we have some Greek salad, and we have some tzatziki and some more breads. My dad's. My sisters. Now we're waiting for ours. This is still bread. What are we all three having? Good evening. It's been quite a few hours since I last filmed. I took a nap when we arrived, or not when we arrived, it's quite some time later because I was exhausted and I woke up feeling worse than I did before I fell asleep, which really sucks, but alright. I then ate some dinner and we went to the beach, or my mom, my dad, my boyfriend and I, and my mom and I jumped in the sea for a bit to cool down and for me to wake up still as well. And after that we joined the boys to drink something, and yeah, now we're back and we're relaxing a bit upstairs. My sister is in her room watching something on Netflix. My boyfriend is in the living room upstairs watching some YouTube, and I think I'm going to do some coloring, relaxing coloring. And then I'm off to bed. It's our first morning here, and of course, what do we wake up to? Thunder and rain! I'll show you my dress I wore last night on a bikini, and it's completely soaked. I don't know if you can probably see, but it's like completely soaked, and now I'm wet. And my bikini is soaked as well. And it's all rainy, and it's dry now, but it was all rainy, and the floor is wet and disgusting. But alright, we have enough to do today inside. I just grabbed some last things, hopefully, from downstairs. Keep this open to let the air flow. I have to put some stuff in the cabin, and then I'm done with that. Oh crap, I have some more here. Ooh. Since we're in Greece, we have the best weather ever. It just started to rain and we have a lot of thunder again. Ooh, we already had that this morning, but we now have it again. And we have a lot of mosquitoes, so we really have to put on something against mosquitoes. But my mom and dad are
on their way home finally.
Finally on our way home. We had a different car yesterday, and we switched it back to a normal car today, or they did, but the car they are taking with them, it's a very difficult story, but the car they are taking to here with them needed to be repaired, but they're finally on the way home. So hopefully they get home at some times, and then we find a way to eat, but it's not the best weather, so I'm not sure how we're going to do it, if we're going to order something, or if we are going to fix something or whatever. We'll find out soon enough, but I didn't put any sunscreen on today, and I didn't burn, which is not really usual when I'm in Greek, but alright, or in Greece. But now I'm going to put some lotion and stuff on against the mosquitoes. The owner of the house told us that there are a few puppies around here, or a few dogs around here, and also a few puppies that she sometimes feeds. And if we want to, we can, and if we don't want to, we don't. But I wanted to, so I put some food down in the corner here. But the bigger dogs, or the puppies, I just saw playing around, and it's really cute, and there's one coming a bit closer, but it's scared, which is quite logical. Hi, cutie. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Woof, woof. Oh, here. Come, sweethearts. I have some food for you. I have some food. And it's raining again. And then not a little, but just insanely much. We're waiting here to let it be a little bit drier. And we're trying to stay dry in a shop with all fishing stuff, but it's just insanely how much it's getting rain here. But also the streets and stuff aren't made for this, so there's no place where the water can go. So it's getting quite high eventually. But it's insane. And with thunder, so that's not like the drone. Yes, I do. It's just the ones that stand dry as well. Hopefully we find a way to go to a place to eat because I'm hungry. That's the way, but the rest of them won't follow me then. I screwed it up. It's easy. Take off your shoes and walk.
We have done that before.
Doesn't matter. Oh no!
Ja, die moet even uit. Hier moet je niet over de steken. Deze. Nou, ik denk hier bij het zebrapad de enige optie is.
Ja, zebrapad.
Rabbits.
Dit is nou niet tegen
We have our dinner, moussaka, beef taki with feta and pasticcio, and they both have something with lamb. Lamb's rack. But it hasn't arrived yet, so...
Are we going to wait or are we going to eat? You can't go in to eat because it's not that good.
warm. We're going to eat. Good Friday morning. I knew it already. We're relaxing. That statement, but we're relaxing at work. We're going to swim in a second, or we're going to the house first, and then we're going to lunch, and then we're going to swim and relax the rest of the day. And tonight we're going to barbecue, which would be really lovely. What are you laughing at?
I made a picture.
My dad made a picture. Can you see? Yeah, my dad's looking funny. I'm filming. Family.
Altijd melking. En met suiker, ja. Het is gewoon een cappuccino, maar dan
It's a freddo cappuccino, cola, fresh jus d'orange.
Ik dacht dat er ijscream ook in zat.
Nee,
What is he doing?
ijs groen in. Er zit helemaal geen ijs in. Er zitten ijsklontjes in. Het is een cappuccino, dus dat is een schuimlaag.
Second price.
Lekker schuim.
Freddo cappuccino, cola, fresh orange juice, frappé glico megala, and just a simple iced tea. Lunchtime with everybody has something of their own and some drinks. We're in Olympiada and we're going to a Asian place and we're going to swim. My dad is saying he started a new thing with pets. Oh my god, Daddy.
Yes.
Fashion trend. Fashion trend, whatever. It looks
Silly.
stupid, silly.
It's the same with the trousers the girls are wearing now.
I'm not wearing them, so you don't have to put
but
me
I'm
to
fine.
shame.
No.
Start a new trend.
Good luck with that. I don't know you anymore.
Is this better then?
Nope.
This and this and this all been done. So
That's good.
new trend.
That's better, sorta. Yeah. To put him to sleep because he just isn't doing better. He's laying around all day. He's starting to get really sad and he only gets happy for like some snacks or something like that, but that's it. And we know he has some tumors in his belly, and we don't want him to end his life in pain, so we can, for this cat, make the decision to make sure he doesn't have the pain, because he doesn't deserve that after a beautiful life of 15 years. He's been 15 years with my boyfriend now, and he's going to miss him. I don't know if my boyfriend's going with my father-in-law. I don't know if he goes, if he really wants me to go, but if he really wants me there, then I'm going, of course. But if he doesn't, then I don't. I'll just see. I'm not sure yet, but it's really sad. a good Sunday evening. I haven't filmed all day since we would just have a relaxing day at the house, and we did. And my highlight of the day was that I was invited by our neighbors, sorta, to come in and have a chill moment, and they give me something to drink. How's it called? Raki. Or they say it's self-made ouzo, but it was raki. It was really nice, really fun, even though they didn't speak English, besides one who spoke a little bit English, but it was so much fun, and it really shows the spirit of the people here and how giving they are, and it's so lovely. And other than that, I just been on my phone. I edited a bit a second ago, and boring stuff. But tomorrow will be more fun, but that's for next week's vlog. So if you watch till the end of the vlog, which is a really long vlog, so yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and tell me what your favorite place to go is for holiday, especially in Greece, if you have ever been to Greece, because I love Greece and I want to see more and more and more and more places, even though I've already seen a lot. But just let me know, and then I'll see you again for me tomorrow and for you next Wednesday. Bye.